All right. Hey, everyone. It's been a minute since I've been uploading the channel. I've been pretty busy with life and work, and I just dropped my knife. Jesus. Okay. That actually took way longer than expected, but with the power of editing, that was instant. Basically, oh my god, sorry. This knife just fell into the abyss, which was behind my desk, and it took me like an hour to find it, so. Okay. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Hey everyone, it's Alan Div here. Today we're going to be doing the new display for the Framework 13 swap. What does it have here in the box? It's the 2.8K resolution, high refresh rate, not touchscreen unfortunately, but you know you can't have it all yet. It should be pretty simple, plug and play, but we'll see. So basically we're just going to be swapping this display into the framework here. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by Discord here. And we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll need any drivers. I do have the AMD version, or AMD CPU in here now. This was originally an outlet PC from Framework, but you know, with their ecosystem, you can just upgrade anything you want. And here's a display. I'm assuming you reuse the ribbon cable too. Looks like it. Okay, cool. So let's get to tearing it down. Oh, I just realized, I was like, oh, it didn't come with the display cable, but it did, so I didn't have to do that sketchy part of removing it from the screen. So, I guess I can just put that back in. I was like, this feels wrong because I'm like peeling off tape. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to do it with the old one. It's not gonna be as secure, you know? Cool, okay. And that removes pretty easily. Okay. Back to install. Okay, I was just double checking the way you route this wire because I didn't pay attention. But basically, you just make sure it's over this rod and kind of in between this like little like tab right there. And it's got tape, so basically once you route it into this little groove here, you just stick it down right there, and then theoretically I should just be able to just press this on. Just like so. Cool. Okay. Let's get it secured, and then let's see if I bricked it. Okay, looks like I got the display and bezel installed. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this type of bending when I'm doing the install. Just looks like this bezel isn't sticking to the bottom as well as it was when it came from the factory. I did notice there's like a small amount of adhesive right here, and obviously that's not going to stick as well, but also this tape isn't really holding down well either. Here's the display, or for the display connector ribbon, but we will plug in the keyboard anyway and then just see how it goes. So I'm feeling it's fine. you might have saw in the time lapse there, I like took off like a screw right here, and I was like, okay, yeah, just take off all the screws, but you only need 4 in the corners. The ones that are up here are holding down the webcam module, which I did not opt to upgrade on this, just because I don't use it that much, but something I may change in the future. Wow, okay, I think this bezel does need to get readjusted here. See, like, it definitely should not be doing that. Is there like a clip or something? Let's see if it turns on first, and if I get a display. I do? Very nice. Looking very sharp too. Oh. That was weird. I got that ribbon back on, but I'm still not seeing it post here. I saw like the framework thing pop up, but let's power down. Let me try one more time. Framework logo appears fine. Okay, that looks fine. Maybe it just needed like some sort of post and then a restart with the new display? Yeah, okay, now it looks fine. It's working, let's see. Still have that separation there. Mouse and keyboard was working. Oh, there we go, cool. And I can definitely see that 120 hertz already. Oh yeah, look at that, 2880 by 1920, 120 hertz, baby. Nice and fluid. Cool. Nice matte display too. Coming from the glossy, so I'm not used to these. I guess lower. Actually, no. I mean the vibrance actually seems pretty good too. It probably does not come across on camera that well, but anyway. Yeah, that's it for the install. Okay. So it does look like this cable just sits on top, like entirely. It doesn't, and it's definitely pushing up right there. So let's take out 2 screws here. This is why. Follow the tutorial, folks. Let's just try to pry this up a little bit. Not too much so I don't snap the display, but basically just trying to get enough slack right here. So, okay, there we go. So it sits like that. Because the display, or the bezel, covers that up, right? Let's see. Maybe? Hopefully? Okay, that's certainly better. It's not quite as sticky, but like yeah, I can barely notice that gap at all. You notice that gap? Let's see. Can you see it? I can't see it. Let's just do a couple more opening, closing. Open all the way. Yeah, I'm not hearing that weird click anymore either. It was probably just it was probably pinching that cable. It was kind of, it's still there a little bit. Fine with it though, it's tolerable. Okay, let's close it up. And what do we see? Virtually non-existent. Excellent. Okay. Don't have to mention support. I am totally fine with that. All right. Now, thanks for watching. Sorry about that. Oh. Okay, well. Hang on. Okay, there we go. There we go, folks. How's the bezel looking now? Excellent. I forgot those 2 screws. Okay. Last time, I swear. But before I do, another small note to just point out is that you can see in this display, the corners are actually rounded, but my bezel is not. So there's kind of like a weird like a black space in the corner. That's fine. It's Not noticeable unless you're looking for it now that I told you. Thanks for watching. See you guys.